In this video, I am going to show you 7 tips that you must know to keep your WhatsApp chats secure. To delete an old chat, select the chat, click on delete chat, and then click on delete. In this way, you can delete your old chats. Tip number 2. Tip number 2 is taking backup of your WhatsApp chats. For that, you need to go to settings and then click on and then select chats and then select chat backup. When you select chat backup, it will show you a green button backup. Tap on it and then your WhatsApp chats will be backed up to your phone, and this backup will be two-way encrypted and secured backup which will be on your phone. Tip number 3. You can enable two-step verification. For that, you have to go to account, then click on two-step verification and then change the PIN. So if you have set up the PIN earlier, you can change the PIN, or else you can set up a PIN. You have to enter the PIN and confirm your PIN and then click on save. Tip number 4 is you can enable fingerprint lock. For that, you have to go to settings, then go to privacy and click on fingerprint, and then you can select you can enable fingerprint lock. And after you enable fingerprint lock, you have 3 options. You can unlock it immediately, you can unlock after 1 minute, or you can unlock after 30 minutes. You can select which suits your requirement. Enable fingerprint lock to keep your chats secure. Tip number 5. If you wish to save WhatsApp chats in your email ID, then note that these chats are unencrypted and anyone can easily read them or access them. So it is recommended not to save your WhatsApp chats onto the email ID because they are non-encrypted. If you are changing your phone and if you want to delete your WhatsApp data, you can go to Phone's File Manager and go to your WhatsApp and click on delete. In this way, you can delete your WhatsApp messages and WhatsApp data from your phone's internal storage. Tip number 6. You can also easily transfer your WhatsApp database from your phone to your PC. You have to go to your phone's internal storage and then select WhatsApp and then copy the entire database and then select where you want to store it onto your desktop or a laptop, and then you can paste the entire database. So in this way, you can transfer your WhatsApp database, which is an encrypted file, to a secured location onto your desktop or laptop. Tip number 7. In case you want to delete WhatsApp chat backups altogether, you can delete the database files from your WhatsApp folder onto your phone. You just have to go to your phone's file manager to find the backup files, and by accessing the same, you can select the backup file and tap on delete. In this way, you can delete your backup files forever. So I hope you all like this video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.